Hello, Namaste, Annyonghaseyo Kpop fans. Welcome to our channel Indian UNNie. Today's video is about Mystic Story Always Open Global Online Audition in Mystic Story Entertainment Company. In this video, I will tell you what is Mystic Story Entertainment Company and its services, Mystic Story Entertainment Current Artist, Audition Qualifications, Audition Category, Audition Period, Required Attachment Files, Awards and Benefits, Audition Procedure, how to apply in the audition with me and know what you need to write in the application and results announcement. But before that, if you are new on our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming K-pop audition informations and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in description box. Now, let's start our video. Mystic Story Entertainment Company and its services. Mystic Story Entertainment is a South Korean entertainment company established in 2011 by South Korean singer-songwriter Yoon Jong-shin. It has three subsidiaries: Mystic 89, Kpop Entertainment, and Mystic Actors. In March 2017, SM Entertainment acquired Mystic, becoming the label's largest shareholder. So it means SM is now a partner of this company. This company also works globally and releases its songs in many languages. I searched for this company's scandals, and as this company is old enough, so of course there will be some scandals, but I got to know only two main news. First one was singer Kim Yeon-woo's lawsuit against his former agency Mystic Entertainment. This company didn't pay his approximately $11,19,700, so he sued the company and he won the case. Second one was this company's famous singer Eddie Kim's involvement in a sexual chat room. However, company stood with their idol and cleared his point, which is a good thing as a company that they stand with their idol. Other than these two news, I didn't find anything bad news about this company. So I think although this company is not that much famous like Big Hit or YG, but still I would like to apply in it as it doesn't have many scandals and their behavior with idols is also good and their idols are also pretty much famous. Mystic Story Entertainment Current Artist. This company has three groups under its label: Brown Eyed Girls, Billy, and Lucy. These are other artists under Mystic Story Entertainment. All solo artists and group members under this company have their own personal social media accounts. Now let's see audition details. Audition Category. In this audition, you can apply for any one category from vocal, rap, dance, acting, songwriting, or lyrics. Audition Qualifications. For vocal, rap, dance, acting categories, any male or female from any country born in or between 2003 to 2010 can apply in this audition. And for songwriting and lyrics categories, any male or female from any country of any age can apply in this audition. There is no age limit for these two categories. Audition period. It is always open. It means you can apply in this audition at any time in any month or year, and you can apply as many times as you want, but only after 31 days of your form submission date. It means if you are applying today, then please apply again after 31 days with new audition video, pictures and improvement. Note: on Mystic Story official audition Instagram account, you will see they update new dates every month for audition, but actually they only remind us for their always open audition. These new dates are not about new auditions, it's for this always open audition, so never get confused by this type of posts. Required attachment files. Please upload more than 5 pictures including your one left and right side half body picture, one front full body picture and some free pose pictures that shows your face well. Attach pictures without filters, app, retouch and no mask worn. For vocal, rap, dance, acting category, upload your video on YouTube as unlisted or public and then attach video link in the form. Uploading video on YouTube is required with unlisted option only, and the person with whom you will share your video link can see your video. So in this way, uploading your video on YouTube is safe. For songwriting and lyrics category, you need to send minimum 3 works of your talent. Awards and benefits. Final round winners will get chance to be a trainee in Mystic Entertainment Company to become future artists. Audition procedure. First round will be online round, in second round there will be Zoom 1-1 round, and in third round final audition and meeting in Korea. Please watch these 2 videos to know how company will contact you for second round, what will happen in Zoom 1-1 audition, and what you need to prepare for your Zoom 1-1 audition. These videos links are in description box. How to apply. For vocal, rap, dance, acting category, click on the application form link in description box and fill out the application form and attach required files and submit your form. Note, you need to open this form in desktop mode. I will show you how to do this. For songwriting and lyrics category, download the application form from the link in description box. Take a screenshot of it, fill out the form by using any editing app, or you can also use WhatsApp or Instagram text editing feature. Save the edited picture after filling your information in the form and then send it to the email address audition@mystic89.com. This email application process for songwriting and lyrics category is easy, and if you still don't have any idea how to send email application, then you can watch this P-Nation audition application process and get an idea how to send your email application. This is the application form for songwriting and lyrics category. It is in Korean, so I will tell you what you need to write in each column. You can write your information either in English or Korean language. Here, attach your upper half body front picture. In these 3 columns, you need to attach your 3 YouTube videos links of your work. Suppose if you are composing music, then make its video, or with its music make a video. Upload it on YouTube as unlisted or public and then attach link here, and follow same process for lyrics category. Now here, write your name, gender, date of birth, year, then month, and then date. Write your international age in number. Write your country name where you are currently living. Write email address, phone number, another phone number, height in centimeters, and weight in kilograms. Write your occupation, means are you a middle school student or high school student, or are you a job holder. Here write your hobbies, and here your experience in the category you are applying. After completing this form, either take a screenshot of it or save this form and directly send them to their email address. Now I will show you how to fill out application form for vocal, dance, rap, acting category. First, click on the link in description box to open this form. This is the audition website. Now we need to open this website in desktop mode. Only then we will be able to see application form. If you are using laptop, then you won't need to do this one step. Here I am using Chrome browser. This is our form. Zoom in. Here choose your audition category. For dance category, I will choose band, which also means performance. Actually, it's English translation of Korean form, that's why some words are strange. Here write your full name, choose your gender, choose your birth year, then month, then date. Write your height in centimeters and weight in kilograms. School or job means are you a middle school student or high school student, or are you a job holder. Here write your email address. Write your mobile number with country code, like India's country code is 91. Write your country name where you are currently living. Here attach your YouTube talent video link. Here attach at least 5 or more than 5 pictures. Here, write your self-introduction like your hobby or specialty, etc. With my dance video, I have attached my small introduction video. So here, I will just tell them my hobbies and what I love to do. Here, you need to express yourself. In this column, write your experience in your talent. If you don't have any experience, then write N/A. After completing it, tap on this apply button. If you see this pop-up window which says thank you for your support in the Mystic audition, then tap on OK and you have successfully applied for this audition. All the best! Please remember that after submitting this form, you will not get any confirmation email like you have successfully submitted your form and all. So please don't hope for that type of email. Results announcement. Only past candidates will be contacted individually via email within 2 weeks of their form submission date. Today's comment winner is Surprise Nightcore. Thank you so much dear for your trust and support. Please keep supporting and loving our channel. Lots of love to you and for all my viewers. In my next video, I will announce the next comment winner from this video. So please don't forget to comment and show your love. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love yourself and be happy.